हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। अनरेस्ट्रेन्ड, असंयमित, बेकाबू। मीनिंग नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड और कंट्रोल्ड, फ्री फ्रॉम लिमिटेशन। सिनोनिम्स uncontrolled, unchecked, unrestricted. Antonyms restrained, controlled, limited. Example: the unrestrained laughter of the children filled the room with joy. Devastation, vinash, tabahi. Meaning great destruction or damage. Synonyms destruction, ruin, havoc. Antonyms restoration, repair, recovery. Example: the flood caused massive devastation in the coastal areas. Encroachment, atikraman, hastakshep. Meaning the act of intruding on someone else's territory, rights, or property. Synonyms intrusion, invasion, trespass. Antonyms withdrawal, retreat, respect. Example: the government took strict action against the encroachment on public land. Tangible, ठोस, वास्तविक. Meaning capable of being touched or felt, clear and definite. Synonyms concrete, real, perceptible. Antonyms intangible, abstract, vague. Example: there was no tangible proof to support his claims. Mitigation, shaman, kami karna. Meaning the act of reducing the severity or seriousness of something. Synonyms alleviation, reduction, relief. Antonyms aggravation, exacerbation, intensification. Example: planting more trees is essential for the mitigation of climate change effects. Agility, furti, chapalta. Meaning the ability to move quickly and easily, mental sharpness. Synonyms nimbleness, dexterity, quickness. Antonyms sluggishness, clumsiness, inertia. Example: the gymnast performed the routine with grace and agility. Relentless, nirdayi, lagatar. Meaning showing no signs of stopping or weakening, persistent. Synonyms unyielding, unremitting, persistent. Antonyms lenient, intermittent, forgiving. Example: she pursued her dreams with relentless determination. Escalate, बढ़ाना, तीव्र करना. Meaning to increase in intensity, magnitude, or seriousness. Synonyms intensify, heighten, amplify. Antonyms decrease, reduce, diminish. Example: the minor argument soon escalated into a serious conflict. Vulnerable, asurakshit, kamzor. Meaning exposed to the possibility of being harmed, either physically or emotionally. Synonyms susceptible, defenseless, fragile. Antonyms protected, secure, invincible. Example: children are more vulnerable to infections than adults. Rehabilitation, punarvas, sudhar. Meaning the process of restoring someone or something to a good condition after damage or suffering. Synonyms restoration, recovery, reparation. Antonyms neglect, destruction, abandonment. Example: after the accident, he had to undergo months of rehabilitation. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.